Hi planner friends, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. So today we are planning my wellness planner, which is It's Your Year to Shine planner, and it's for the week of February 3rd through the 9th. And let's get started. So I pulled some stickers out of colorful boxes too, and Healthy Hero and the Wellness sticker book. So that's what we're going to be working with. I'm gonna start with my workout stickers, and next week I am pretty busy with work. I have quite a few meetings and projects after work, so I won't be able to attend gym, but I know that I'm going to be able to do it on Friday and Monday, so at least I'll do that. And I'm just pulling out some more stickers because I'm going to be needing those for sure. And even though I pulled out stickers, it looks like I still don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes. Okay, so my purple checklist, that's a Happy Planner checklist as well. I've been using this to track my hydration, and I think that works out pretty great for me. I just fill them in every single day as I drink my water. So I do 8 a day. Sometimes I do more depending on the day I'm having. Like if I know I'm gonna go have a hike or something, I add more. You guys saw that I just messed up one of the squares, but I'm not worried because those will be filled in, and I usually fill them in with my black pen, so it won't even show through once the spread is finished. Okay, last but not least is my Sunday. And then those are just bottles, and I'm gonna alternate pink and purple because it looks like this whole spread will be pretty much pink and purple. And these cute, these look exactly like water bottles. They're so adorable. And those dumbbells. So those are my workouts, and I track steps, calories, floors, minutes, and miles in there to see how I did. And those are my feeling boxes, so I write my emotions down in here. I think that's great. Aren't these beautiful? So, like I said before, I've never had the colorful boxes too, and the original colorful boxes are still my favorite. However, I think this book is so phenomenal. I didn't even realize that these are out there. I probably would have been using them long ago. They add a pop of color to a simple spread. They're beautiful. And this is from the Healthy Hero sticker books. This is our Healthy Hero girl. And Soar Today, Strong Tomorrow is the quote I picked. And I think that quote is quite awesome. I'm gonna still be playing around and moving stickers around. So you guys, I've been really struggling with going to the gym. I'm simply so busy that I just can't find the time to do that for some reason. Do any of you have the same feeling? and when I go, it's so quick. It's like I feel like I haven't accomplished much. So I know every step counts, and I eat right, and I do everything right when it comes to my nutrition, but still I feel like I'm struggling. In January, I had so many social events that I was really struggling with keeping up with everything. I'm not sure if everybody has the same feelings as I do, but I've been struggling, and I'm here to admit it. And hopefully, when I admit this, I'll hold myself accountable. I've been failing at my gym journey. So now that it's February 1st, so I'm filming this February 1st will be tomorrow. I think I'm gonna hold myself a little bit more accountable, and I do exercise at home every morning. Like, I'll do my stretches and a quick routine, but still it's not enough. I need to be moving my body a lot more. So I just can't figure out the time to do it. And I don't have kids, so I don't know how you guys with kids do it. Granted, I do have 2 jobs plus the social media account, so it is kind of like having a kid almost, but still. Okay, and I'm gonna be using those breakfast, lunch, and dinner little tabs. I think they're quite lovely to use them for this. And then I decided to put my vitamins together with the meals. And to me it makes sense because I'm consuming this just like I consume food. And usually it is with food, so it just made sense to put it in the same square, rectangle, box, whatever you call this. I'm having a brain freeze, I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm just gonna put breakfast all over, and then lunch, and then dinner, and we'll go from there. And then I'm just gonna be pulling out some quotes to put in at the bottom where I'm not working out this week. I'm gonna have some exciting news for you guys very soon. A few of my planner babes and myself are forming a new group, which we're so excited about. I'll be able to announce this pretty soon. Everything's in the works, and we're gonna have new challenge for February with all of you guys. If you wanted to join, you can tag us. I think it will be quite great to be able to do some challenges together. I'm just gonna use my jelly roll as always, and I found this quote: "Not exercising today, and that's okay." And well, it's not okay, but I thought that quote was quite funny and fitting, so I went ahead and used it. So I'm just flipping through the Healthy Hero book. And then Listen to Your Body is also a good one. And then I just need one more and we'll be pretty much done with the spread. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. You guys should let me know. So obviously I'm fast forwarding all of this because I can't decide on my stickers. And I do voiceover. Do you guys enjoy voiceovers like this? Or do you prefer me just let the tape roll and talk as I'm going and planning? I think this way you guys still hear my thoughts and everything, but it's not a 50 or like 30-minute or 40-minute videos. So I thought that's better than just talking through, but everybody has their own preferences. So you guys let me know. If you want the voiceovers to continue, I'll be glad to do it. But if some of you or most of you want me to just ramble on as I'm planning organically without voiceovers, I can do that too. So you let me know down in the comments down below and we'll go from there. However, this spread is pretty much finished. I'm just gonna add one more touch and we'll be pretty much set. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for those of you who are subscribed to my channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers that joined this past week. And I hope you will continue watching my videos, and I'll see you guys very, very, very soon. Bye!